It's not easy to give your skin that proper care in the morning, especially when you're running late. I try to do the bare minimum so that I can prep my skin for all the makeup that I use during the day. But when it comes to my night time, I make sure I give my skin that extra care. It could be tedious, but trust me, it's worth it in the long run. So today I'm going to share my nighttime skincare routine, which is perfect for anyone with a combination skin type. So first I'm going to start with removing all my makeup. I am using the Neutrogena oil-free makeup remover, and I'm going to take some cotton and clean all the makeup. So this product is actually non-oily, so I don't feel too much grease on my face, and it actually helps me remove even waterproof makeup. It's pretty easy. So my next step is going to be cleansing. I'm going to use the Body Shop Tea Tree Facial Wash. It is very good for your acne prone skin, and this is generally for oily skin, but it works for my combination type as well. So I tend to get a little oily on my T-zone during summers, so this is very, very good for my skin type, and it kind of keeps it supple and doesn't dry it up. As you can see, it doesn't have a lot of foam. It has a very gel-like consistency, and you'll feel like this cooling effect on your skin. Just make sure you massage it properly before you rinse it off. Okay, so now I've properly cleansed my face. I'm going to use a toner now. I'm using the same toner from Body Shop Tea Tree, and this actually comes in a set. Same properties, very good for your acne prone skin, works for your combination skin type. So one tip guys, sometimes because I get these zits, keep your Q-tips handy, and if you're using this, use a little bit on your skin with a Q-tip as a spot corrector. So whatever steps I've done till now are definitely a must, but after this, you can modify the steps according to whatever works for you. Now I'm going to put some aloe vera gel. I'm using the one from Innisfree. So this is going to cool my skin down, and it's going to help all the products to seep in properly into my skin. So now I'm going to use the serum. Serums are really good for your skin because they hydrate it and they repair your skin overnight. My serum is called the Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. It's from Kiehl's. It actually helps correct the dark spot and discoloration on my skin. Just make sure it's not very close to your eyes. So next I'm going to use the Hydrating Moisturizer. This is one of my favorite products from Kama. It's their Eladi Hydrating Face Cream, and it's perfect for a combination to dry skin. So after my moisturizer, I'm going to use this night mask. This step is actually optional. So this one's from Innisfree. This is the Whitening Pore Sleeping Pack. As you can see, it has a very gel-like consistency. So I apply a very thin layer all over my face and keep it all night and rinse it the next morning. So this makes my skin feel really light and cool, and I think it also helps me sleep better. So guys, my last and final step is applying a hydrating lip balm. So that's it for my night care routine guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you thought about it in the comment section below. Also, while you do that, don't forget to check out our Popixo shop. We've got amazing merchandise like planners, notebooks, wall clocks and a lot more. The link is in the description box below, so click on it and shop now. And for more skincare routines and makeup tutorials, keep watching Popixo Daily.